Welcome to the newest cooking channel here on YouTube, which is my channel, Cooking for the King, the channel where you come for the delicious recipes, but you will leave with some soul food. My name is Anthony, or you can refer to me as Mr. Perry. Every good cook should have their own theme music, right? Hey Tito, drop the track!
Get ready.
Y'all get ready now.
Mr. Perry, he is cooking for the king.
Cooking for the king, yeah.
Hey, now y'all get ready. Mr. Perry, he is cooking for the king. Cooking for the king.
Cooking for the king, yeah.
Cooking for the king. For the king.
Now I'll show you Mr. Perry's kitchen, which I absolutely love. A while back, I moved to Fort Worth, Texas. It took a while, but I finally got my kitchen together, so I thought I'd give you a tour. As you see, that's my deep freezer. It took about 6 months of me searching, but I finally found what I call the perfect bar stools. I really like contemporary things. I really like these because they're made like a barber's chair and they adjust just like a barber's chair. Over here we have some of my dinnerware. Found this really nice flatware online. Thought those were pretty nice. I love everything stainless steel. So as you see, I have a nice stainless steel refrigerator with an ice maker. Here's my official logo, which I absolutely love. I designed it, but my buddy Conrad out of Sacramento, California, brought it to life. He did an excellent job. If anyone needs a logo made, definitely reach out to my friend Conrad Williams. I believe the name of his company is Radical Design. So just holler at me if you need a logo made. Over here, just have a few small appliances and knickknacks. We have some tools. Here's my glass top stove, which I really like. Eat well, laugh often, and enjoy life. That's a really good motto. Over here's my microwave. I really like it. You just press this button and it pops open. Other than that, it's a regular microwave. Over here we have some super sharp professional grade knives. I really like these. I guess you would call them automatic salt and pepper shakers. They grind. And I really like them because they have a little light on them. Thought those were pretty cool. Over here we got some more knives. Got to give another shout out to my brother-in-law, Dwayne Thomas. He had my logo blown up onto this vinyl, and it is waterproof. So I was able to put it over my sink, which I thought was a good spot. Really like my deep sink. I believe it's called a farmer's sink. Of course, I got a dishwasher, but I never use that. Rather wash my dishes by hand. Over here we have the classic fork and spoon. I know Most people growing up in the African American household, you had a wooden fork and spoon on the wall. I never figured out what the purpose of that was, but I always said when I got my own place, I would get one. I just happened to be in Ross one day and I found these, and they are metal. Thought those were pretty cool. Some more cabinet space. A lot of cabinet space. Up there, we have our cookbooks. They have some delicious recipes in them. Over here we have some more storage and cabinet space. Really big island. I really like these pots. They're black matte with the gold handle. Little gold flakes inside. Now, they not only do they look good, but I actually use them all the time, so I don't have them just for looks. Got some more super sharp knives. Over here we have some more pots and pans. I really like these also with the iridescent handle. They have little flakes in the paint. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, just wanted to show you my kitchen where all these delicious recipes are made. So I appreciate you tuning in to my channel, Cooking for the King. The channel where you come for the delicious recipes, but you will leave with some soul food.